dear students. Okay, so firstly, I discuss our test papers answers. Yes ना, टेस्ट पेपर जो 25 मार्क्स का एमसीक्यू हुआ था, उसके आंसर वेरी फास्टली हम वन टाइम डिस्कस कर लेते हैं.
यस टीचर.
ओके.
यस टीचर.
सो दैट आपके कौन से करेक्ट है, कौन से रॉन्ग है, ओके, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. उसमें नहीं, आपने व्यू सॉल्यूशन किया तो उसमें नहीं डिटेक्ट हुआ क्या कौन से रॉन्ग है, कौन से करेक्ट है?
टीचर उधर
नहीं
ऊपर लिख के आया था कि योर रिजल्ट विल बी शोन इन 2 आवर्स.
मैम मला
मैंने
दिसलं.
मैंने जब आपका मैसेज देखा तो वो तब तक 10 बज गए थे. और
ओके.
रिटेस्ट भी दे दी थी मैंने फिर से.
ओके, किसको किसको देखने को मिला ऑल क्वेश्चंस? ऑल क्वेश्चंस के देवश्री,
यस मैम.
सभी क्वेश्चंस के आंसर दिखने को मिले आपको?
यस मैम. ऍपमध्ये.
ओके, ऍप मध्ये ऑल क्वेश्चन्सचे आन्सर्स कळाले, कुठलं रॉंग आहे, कुठलं करेक्ट आहे. ओके, मग तुला दिसलं हे, बाकीच्यांना कसं काय नाही दिसलं? ऍप ओपन केलं होतं का तू?
मॅम
यस.
मी ना नंतर तुमचा मेसेज खूप लेट बघितला म्हणून आन्सरच नाही दिसले.
ओके. ओके. Hey, mute yourself, Prasad. Please don't
Yes.
disturb others, dear students. 1 minute. One minute. So, dear students, first we discuss the questions answer and then we end that chapter which we have already started. Okay, I think which chapter? Substance, object and energy. Yes, na? So तुम्हारे सामने मैं टेस्ट ओपन करती हूँ. Don't use the whiteboard. मेरा ऐप है, मुझे ओटीपी मांग रहे हैं. One minute. ए समृद्धि, म्यूट योरसेल्फ. समृद्धि, मुझे आपके साथ आंसर्स डिस्कस करना है, दैट्स व्हाई मैंने आपको म्यूट नहीं किया है. ओके.
यस मैम.
रीजन इज मुझे आपके साथ आंसर्स डिस्कस करना है. जो आपका रॉन्ग है, okay, are you able to see the screen? Okay, question number 1, different fruits and vegetables are available in abundant in different seasons. Okay, question number 1 का आंसर क्या चाहिए? सीजन. Question number 2,
Season.
when we dry the food stuff, their dash dash content is lost.
water,
Water.
Water. Very good.
Water.
Okay, question number 3, why food atom remain fresh in refrigerator? Because microorganism
teacher,
grow. Okay, answer क्या? First option A, microorganism do not grow. Question number 3, the removal of water from the food, that is called,
dehydration,
yes, D मतलब less and hydration means water. Removal of water, less water, that is called dehydration. Question number 5, amla, tamarind, raw mango, papad, kurdai, sundae.
salting,
Yes,
Salting.
salt add करते हैं, then that are preserved for the long time. Why food atom are stored in the freezer or deep freeze or
low temperatures
refrigerator?
to stop growth of microorganisms.
Temperature stop growth of microorganism.
Yes, because in the freeze there is a low temperature, and to such low temperature growth of microorganism stop. Okay, so option A. Question number 7, jam, jellies and squashes are preserved by which method?
Adding sugar,
Yes. Okay, आप
Answer
सब
A.
लोग, yes, आप सब
By adding
जैम जेलीज वाले चॉकलेट वगैरह खाते होंगे, उसमें शुगर ऐड करते हैं, then they are preserved. Along with this, natural preservative are also added. Okay, along with this, natural preservative are also added. Question number 8, why is food preservation is important?
fourth option,
Yes. Mute yourself. Yes. All of to keep the food item fresh, to extend the shelf life of food, remain fresh for a long time, and all of the above. The removal of moisture from the food grain is done by which method? Yes, आपके घर में wheat है, ज्वार है, बाजरा है, कॉर्न है, उसको क्या करते हैं? सन ड्राइंग. So what changes are in the spoil food? कब हम फूड को स्पॉइल बोल सकते हैं? कलर चेंज हो गया, टेस्ट चेंज हो गया, उसका टेक्सचर चेंज हो गया. म्यूट योरसेल्फ ना दीप्तांशी, तुम्हारे घर का कितना आवाज आ रहा है? ऑल स्टूडेंट प्लीज, आपको आंसर देना है, देन यू ऑन द माइक. Then question number 12, which food atom is dried and stored for a long time? Jam, mango, banana and spices. Spices means मसाल्याचे पदार्थ. It is also called condiments. Okay. Then question number 13, dash dash are present all around us in air as well as in water.
teacher.
Microorganism.
Yes.
Teacher, what is ninth question answer?
Yes.
What is ninth question answer?
Question number 9th. 1 minute. Sun drying.
Okay, teacher.
Sun drying. Okay. Question number 12. Spoiled food has reduced dash dash value. जो फूड स्पॉइल होता है उसमें कौन से वैल्यू कम होती है? न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू.
Nutrition,
Okay. Now, which food atom is dried and stored for a long time? Spices. Then dash dash are present all around us in air as well.
microorganism,
Microorganisms. Mango pulp and are
quickly,
quickly. Then how many foodstuff are placed in why many foodstuff are placing in airtight container?
all of the above.
because when the container is airtight, microorganism do not enter. Then do not enter the water, do not enter the air. So all of the above. Question number 16. Which condition required for the growth of fungus?
Availability. All of the above.
Yes, availability availability of water, warm condition, and all of above. Okay. So which food item are preserved by boiling? Milk, curd, all of above. Now question number 18. Which precaution should be taken while
Check expiry date.
Expired.
So in which season food stuff are preserved for a long time?
Both.
Winter. Okay. Then question number 20. Food
All
items
of these.
are kept in dry, open air in a summer. Onion, garlic. आपके घर यस कॉमनली आपकी मम्मी के आप किचन में जाओ, देखो मम्मी को पूछो, ओनियन, पोटैटो, गार्लिक ओपन स्पेस में रखते हैं. Then name the microorganism which spoil the food.
Fungus.
Then question number 22. When we eat the spoiled food item.
All of these.
Okay. Then which food preservation method has
Adding salt.
adding salt? No beta. Adding salt. All है answer. Salt भी add करते हैं. Small 1 minute. Small amount sugar भी add करते हैं. And देखो आपके घर में जो pickles होगा लोणचं, उसके ऊपर oil का layer भी होता है. यहाँ पे oil is also preservative, salt is also preservative, sugar is also preservative. So इसका answer all of these चाहिए.
All of this.
Okay, question number 24. Name the microorganism which is blackish, greenish, fiber like
Fungus.
Yes. And last question. Cooked food get spoiled easily due to
Moisture.
moisture. Okay. Now किसके out of marks आए एक बार मुझे fastly बता दो. 24, 25 किसके आए, किसके 24 आए, किसी के नहीं आए. 22, 20. Yes.
24.
Congratulations, Nirbhay. Very good. You have done good job. Then Anush Bhambre. Very good. Good job. Again, किसके 20 के above है, 18 के above किसके किसके है? Raise your hand very fastly. 18 के above.
Teacher 23.
Okay, very good. Advika, very good. Ranveer, very good. Swara, very good. Devashri, very good. Then Palak, very good. Tanushri, very good. Raise your hand. I am observing. Samruddhi, very good beta. Lavanya, very good beta. Palak, very good beta. Manaswi, very good beta. Arnav, very good. Okay, कोई रह गया? Ranveer, okay. So all student, congratulations. Actually out of आने चाहिए थे. Test easy थी. Okay, क्या गलत? प्रज्ञेश, very good. दीप्तांशी, very good. Okay, observe कर लो आपके कहाँ पे wrong हुए. ओके आपको क्या करना है, आपके कौन से क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग हुए, थोड़ा सा आपको वो क्वेश्चन फिर से रिवाइज करना है. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ कंटिन्यू टू अवर टॉपिक दैट इज सब्सटेंस, ऑब्जेक्ट एंड एनर्जी. यस ना, दैट चैप्टर लास्ट. ओके, दैट यस, दैट चैप्टर लास्ट टॉपिक इज रिमेनिंग.
Energy.
यस. So which topic is remaining?
Energy.
Okay, energy topic is remaining. Just give me 1 minute. So before that we have seen which topic? Substance and object, na?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Are you able to listen my sound? Is it okay? Anyone give me answer? Okay. Now I have mute to all. Okay, because disturb होता है हमें. So in the last lecture I have taught you about the substance. Substance are formed from the object. Object are formed from the matter. Matter are formed from the atom. Okay, the smallest particle. Okay, the smallest particle, that is called atom. But Indian scientist given the name. इंडियन साइंटिस्ट ने उसको क्या नाम दिया था? नेम ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट इज महर्षि कनाद. ओके, महर्षि कनाद ने उनको क्या नाम दिया था? पिलाओ. यस. ओके, and nowadays we are saying that the smallest particle of the substance and object, that smallest particle we call it as a atom. Okay, then in last class I have taught you about the solid, liquid and gas. Any doubt in that? लास्ट टाइम में मैंने आपको सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैस एंड देयर प्रॉपर्टी सिखाए थे. सबको समझ में आ गए? उसके ऊपर सपोज क्वेश्चंस आए, उसके अरेंजमेंट लाइक दिस क्वेश्चंस आए, तो आप एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस नहीं तो कोई भी क्वेश्चंस हो आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो. उसके डिपेंड कोई क्वेश्चन आए तो आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो. Okay, so today I'm going to start the last topic of that chapter, that is the energy. Okay, substance हमारा हो गया, object topic भी हमारा हो गया. Now next topic, that is the energy. So the ability to do work, that is called energy. Okay, now I'm using the whiteboard. Just show me your thumb. Are you able to see the board or not? Give me 1 minute.
Yes, teacher.
So the half remaining portion of that chapter, that is the energy. Okay, so substance. Are you able to see the whiteboard? Just fastly show me your thumb. Okay, very good. So we have started the chapter, that is substance, object and energy. Okay, we have started the topic, that is substances. How the substances are formed. Then next one, that is object, and next one, that is energy. So first two part we have already completed. Today I am going to start energy. Okay, today I am going to start energy. So you have to first learn the definition of energy. The ability to do work, that is called energy, or capacity to do work, that is called energy. आपको कोई भी काम करना है, एनर्जी लगते हैं? Yes. Okay, capacity to do work, that is called energy. Okay, capacity to do work, that is called energy, or ability to do work. Ability to do work, that is called energy. Capacity to do work, energy, or ability to do work, energy is to do work is called energy. Very easy definition hai. All student, you have to compulsory learn the definition. Capacity to do work, that is called energy. Ability to do work, that is called energy. So there are the different type of energies. Okay, so there are different type of energy. So which are that different type of energy? So first one, that is mechanical energy. Okay, first one, that is called mechanical energy. Then second one, that is called electrical energy. Okay, second one, that is called electrical energy. Then third one, that is light energy. Then next one, heat energy. Then next one, sound energy. Mechanical energy, electrical energy, light energy, heat energy, sound energy. Then next one, wind energy. Okay, then along with this, yes, There are potential energy also and kinetic energy also. So those are the different type of energy. But first you have to learn easy definition of energy. किसी ने आपको पूछा कैन यू डिफाइन एनर्जी, आप मुझे एनर्जी की डेफिनेशन बता सकते हो, आपका आंसर चाहिए यस. ओके, सो एबिलिटी टू डू वर्क, that is called energy. There are the different type of energy. Actually there are two main type, and again those are also type of energy. Okay, so next one, that is again type of energy, that is potential energy, and next one kinetic energy. Those are also energy, potential energy, and next one that is kinetic energy. Potential energy and kinetic energy. And then other type are mechanical energy, electrical energy, light energy, heat energy, sound energy, and next one that is wind energy. Okay, now are able to see? Just show me thumb, Palak. Okay, Anush, not able to see. Okay, what about others? Advika, are able to see? Okay. Okay, very good. So, mechanical energy, electrical energy, light energy, heat energy, sound energy, and wind energy. Okay, now we see one by one. Can I erase now? Okay, we see the information one by one. So, first one, that is mechanical energy. Okay, first type, that is called mechanical energy. First one, that is mechanical energy. Now board is visible. Okay, so the energy which is possessed by an object because of motion and stored energy. Okay, the energy which is because of motion and stored energy, that is called mechanical energy. The energy which is because of motion, कोई भी object motion में है उसको energy आ गई, that is called mechanical energy. And next one, that is stored energy. Okay, so energy because of stored, okay, energy, that is stored energy of position, okay, and due to motion. So mechanical energy के फिर से two type है. First one, that is kinetic energy, उसके two type है, kinetic energy, and next one is potential energy. Okay, kinetic energy, and next one, that is potential energy. So how many type of mechanical energy? उसके two type है, that is kinetic energy, and next one potential energy. Okay, energy which is because of motion and stored energy. जो ऑब्जेक्ट में स्टोर एनर्जी होती है, स्टोर एनर्जी, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ मोशन, that energy is called mechanical energy. And mechanical energy के सब टाइप है, kinetic energy, and next one, that is potential energy. So kinetic energy, the energy because of motion, when any object is in the motion, move कर रहे हैं, okay, when any object is in the motion, it having the kinetic energy. Okay, any object, kinetic energy, any object when it is in the motion, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है कि जो मोशन में है, मोशन की वजह से उसको जो एनर्जी आती है, दैट एनर्जी इज कॉल्ड काइनेटिक एनर्जी. फॉर एग्जांपल, कार इज मूविंग. ओके, कोई भी कार मूव हो रही है, टू व्हीलर, फोर व्हीलर मूव हो रहा है, तो उसमें कौन सी एनर्जी रहेगी? यस, एनी ऑब्जेक्ट इज मूविंग, तो उसमें कौन सी एनर्जी रहेगी? काइनेटिक एनर्जी. Are you able to listen my sound? Is it okay? Anyone says the message that is my sound is not clear? Other student type the message fastly. My sound is okay? Okay. So energy because of motion. Anything जो भी move हो रहा है, okay, anything जो भी move हो रहा है, उसमें कौन सी एनर्जी रहेगी? काइनेटिक एनर्जी. Okay, understand? Okay, so are you playing the ball? Okay, football, any ball. So when you push the ball, that ball also having which type of energy? बॉल में कौन सी एनर्जी रहेगी? काइनेटिक एनर्जी. ओके, आप रनिंग कर रहे हो, काइनेटिक एनर्जी. सो द एनर्जी बिकॉज ऑफ मोशन, टू व्हीलर इज गोइंग, बाइसिकल इज गोइंग, ट्रेवलिंग कार इज गोइंग ऑन द रोड, एनी ऑब्जेक्ट विच आर मूविंग, जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट मूव हो रहा है उसमें कौन सी एनर्जी रहेगी? दैट इज कॉल्ड काइनेटिक एनर्जी. क्लियर? Is it okay? Understand easy definition of kinetic energy? Okay, any object which move having the kinetic energy. Now next one, that is the potential energy. Okay, next one, that is potential energy. So energy which is stored in that object, stored energy which is stored, that is called potential energy. For example, I have rubber band. Okay, I have rubber band, and in that rubber band there is also energy is stored. Okay, I stretch the rubber band, in that also energy is stored. Then in the dam, water is collected, stored. Have you seen dam? ओके, डैम में वाटर स्टोर होता है. यस, सो एनर्जी स्टोर्ड बिकॉज ऑफ शेप, पोजीशन, साइज. ओके, एनर्जी स्टोर्ड, दैट स्टोर्ड एनर्जी इज कॉल्ड पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. एरो देखा है आपने? एरो, बो देखा है? बो. ओके, सो इन दैट आल्सो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. Okay, in that also potential energy. So those are the examples of potential energy. Okay, so next one, that is electric energy. Mechanical energy के कितने टाइप है? How many type of mechanical energy? Two. Which are that? Kinetic energy, potential energy. Kinetic energy means because of motion. Okay, anything it is in the motion, it having the kinetic energy. Potential energy, energy because of stored energy. The energy which is stored, that is called kinetic energy. Sorry, stored means potential and moving means kinetic. Okay, now second type, that is electrical energy. Second type, that is called electrical energy. Okay, now second type, electrical energy, the energy which means we get the energy from the conversion of other sources like coal, natural gas, oil, nuclear power plant. Other natural sources are the primary sources, and from that we are using the electric devices as a secondary sources. So energy which is we are using to run the electricity. Okay, the energy which we are used for running the different instrument in our home, that is called electrical energy. Okay, बट ये इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी हमें किससे मिलती है, कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट है कि जिसमें हमें इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी मिलती है? सो एनर्जी विच इज ऑब्टेन्ड with the help of electricity, that is called electrical energy. जिससे हमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हम यूज करते हैं, that is called electrical energy. तो आपके घर में टीवी है, फ्रिज है, कूलर है, वॉशिंग मशीन है, जो भी हम घर में यूज करते हैं विच इज डिपेंड ऑन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, जो सब भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के ऊपर डिपेंड है. Okay, so there are the example of electrical energy. But ये जो electrical energy है, ये हमें किससे मिलती है? For example, I am using the electricity. In this room, light is on, fan is on, AC is on. So I am using the electricity, but that electricity is obtained from coal, then natural gas, oil, then next one nuclear power and other natural sources. Yes, water also, coal also, okay, other sources. From that I obtain the electricity. Coal, then natural gas, oil, nuclear power plant, wind, water, okay, from that I obtain the electricity. So do you understand the second type, that is electrical energy? Is it okay about the electrical energy? Okay, so there are so many instruments in our home, in that we are using the electrical energy. Now third type, that is the light energy. Okay, third type, that is called light energy. Okay, third type, that is called light energy. So sun is the ultimate source of energy. Okay, sunlight or sun is the ultimate source of all energy. So by using sunlight, one minute. Hello, hello. So what? Okay, so next one, that is light energy. The energy which is obtained from the light. Okay, yes, the energy which is obtained from the light, that is called light energy. And we are able to see this thing because of light. Okay, we are able to this beautiful word because of the light. उसमें लाइट का कौन सा प्रिंसिपल है? रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. देखो आपके रूम में जो भी चीजें हैं, जो भी आप देख सकते हो, सभी हम लाइट के कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी है? रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. सो लाइट हेल्प अस टू सी द थिंग्स विच आर प्रेजेंट अराउंड अस. देयर आर द डिफरेंट सोर्सेस ऑफ लाइट. लाइट के डिफरेंट सोर्सेस है. ओके, सो विच आर द सोर्सेस ऑफ लाइट? नेचुरल सोर्स, आर्टिफिशियल सोर्स. टाइप इन द चैट बॉक्स. Which are the sources of light? Type in the chat box. आपको हमें लाइट किससे किससे मिलता है? नेचुरल भी, आर्टिफिशियल भी. सन, ओके, सन इज द नेचुरल सोर्स. ओके, अगेन बल्ब, ट्यूबलाइट. ओके, अगेन, ओके, फायरफ्लाई, वेरी गुड बेटा. अगेन टॉर्च, वेरी गुड. कौन से भी एग्जांपल बताओ जो नेचुरल भी है, आर्टिफिशियल भी, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. सिर्फ आप मुझे ये बताना है आपको कि हमें लाइट किससे मिलती है. ओके, आपके घर में ट्यूबलाइट है, लाइट है, हेलोजन लाइट है, बल्ब है, CFL है. ओके, देयर आर सो मेनी एग्जांपल्स. ओके, नेचुरल इंसेक्ट भी है, सन है. ओके, so those are the sources of light. Okay, and from the light how we obtain the energy? Sun is the ultimate source of energy. Okay, in our home light is present, tube light is present, CFL is present. Okay, then LED is present. Yes na, halogen light आपने देखा होगा. These are the sources of light. Even पुराने जमाने में ऑयल लैंप यूज करते थे, टॉर्च भी है, ऑयल लैम्प भी है, so many examples. Okay, so light energy, by using sunlight plant make their food. ओके, सनलाइट की एनर्जी से प्लांट क्या करते हैं, खुद का फूड बनाते हैं, लैंटर्न. यस, एंड ये जो प्लांट्स है, जो सभी एनिमल्स, ओके, ऑल एनिमल्स, एनिमल्स का क्लासिफिकेशन है हर्बिवोरस, कार्निवोरस, ओमनिवोरस, स्कैवेंजर, डिकम्पोजर, होस्ट, पैरासाइट. ओके, सो वो मैं आपको बाद में सिखाने वाली हूँ डिटेल में. सो नाउ सनलाइट, बाय यूजिंग दिस लाइट एनर्जी plant make their own food and animals eat the plant. So from this light energy, this one is the light energy, and from this light energy plant obtain their food, animal also obtain their food, and we all are depend on the sunlight indirectly. Okay, plants खुद का फूड खुद बनाते हैं with the help of sunlight. Yes, na? Plants make their own food by using the sunlight. Plants eater, animal eater, both eater. Okay, all animals. We are also depend on the plants and animal. Okay, we are also depend on the plants and animal for the food. So indirectly, sunlight is the source, ultimate source of energy. So the energy which is obtained from light, that is called light energy, and there are different sources of light. Understand about the light energy? The energy which is obtained from light, that is called light energy. Sunlight is sun is the ultimate source of energy, and other artificial sources in our day-to-day life we are using that. So is it okay about the light energy? Okay. Now, next one, that is heat energy. Okay, next one, that is heat energy. Okay, next one, that is heat energy. So we also obtain the energy from the heat. Heat से भी energy मिल सकती है. Yes. Can anyone tell example? Just guessing. जो आपकी मम्मी डेली यूज करते हैं किचन में. हीट कुकिंग के लिए. Yes. Okay, so in our home we use the heat energy to cook the food. Okay, so in your home or we are using the heat energy to cook food. ओके, हमारे सबके घर में जो हीट, इवन सोलर पे भी कुकिंग करते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. सोलर कुकर आर आल्सो अवेलेबल. सो एट दैट टाइम वी आर यूजिंग सोलर एनर्जी, हीट, सन एनर्जी. Okay, so heat energy, in our home we use heat energy to cook the food. For example, gas. सबके घर में गैस यूज करते हैं. Okay, that is LPG gas, liquefied petroleum gas. Okay, then we also are using the oil lamp. We also using the petrol, diesel, kerosenes. Okay, kerosene is used in the lamp to obtain the heat energy. Okay, older जमाने का लैम्प देखा है जिसमें केरोसिन यूज करते हैं. Okay, so this kerosene is used in the older lamp to obtain the heat energy. Then we obtain the heat energy from the in our home. For cooking, we are using the LPG gas. Okay, yes, we are using the LPG gas. So, thus energy is obtained from the heat. Energy is obtained from the heat, that is called heat energy. Okay, understand about the heat energy which we are used for cooking purpose. Is it okay? Just show me your thumb. Yes, no. Okay. Now, next type of energy, that is sound energy. Okay, next type of energy, that is called sound energy. Okay, next type of energy, that is called sound energy. So, when an object moves quickly, it compresses the surrounding air and potential energy, then it creates the sound energy. Okay, energy which is formed from the sound, that is called sound energy. Yes, Redmi 10, you type the message in chat box. Utensils. Okay, साउंड एनर्जी. ओके, आपने स्पीकर देखा है? स्पीकर. ओके, सब लोगों ने स्पीकर देखा है? Have you seen this different type of speakers? Yes. ओके, क्या होता है उसमें? कौन सी एनर्जी फॉर्म होती है? साउंड एनर्जी. ओके, डीजे डीजे स्पीकर्स देखे आपने? Okay, so energy obtained by the vibration of particle or by the sound, that is called sound energy. Okay, energy because of sound, that is called sound energy. Very good example is speaker. Yes, Tanushri, type the message in chat box. Okay, now next one, that is the wind energy. Okay, next type of energy, that is wind energy. Next type of energy, wind energy. The energy which is obtained by using the power of wind, that is called wind energy. For example, windmill. You have seen any windmill? Type the message in chat box. आपने windmill देखी है? Okay, so the energy because of wind, moving air is called wind. Wind is the air in the motion, and energy which is produced by using the wind, that is called wind energy. And very good example is windmill. Okay, windmill. That windmill is used to obtain the energy, and different things which we run on electricity, that electricity is obtained with the power of wind. Okay, so those are the different type of energy. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, now you can type the message in the chat box. I'm again revising the topic. First of all, definition of energy. Can anyone type the definition of energy in very fastly? Firstly, yes, I take revision of all topic. Firstly, very fastly type the definition of energy. so that मुझे भी समझ में आ गया, आप समझ में आएगा कि आपको कितना समझ में आ गया. Definition of energy: ability to do work. Very good, very good. Ability to do work, that is called energy. Okay, so first type of energy, that is mechanical energy. Okay, so energy because of motion, energy because of motion or position, that is called mechanical energy. For example, उसके भी two type है. How many two type of mechanical energy? मैकेनिकल एनर्जी के टू टाइप कौन से? काइनेटिक एनर्जी एंड पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. ओके, सो काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज बिकॉज ऑफ type the message motion. Very good. Anything is in the motion having the kinetic energy. What about the potential energy? Yes, what about the potential energy? Because of stored energy, because of position and stored energy. Okay, now next one, that is heat energy. Okay, so heat energy is the energy obtained from the sun, or next one, energy which we are using for cooking the substance, that is called heat energy. Now next one, electric energy. In this, because of electricity, and how electricity, there is a moving of electron. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कैसे फॉर्म होते हैं? इलेक्ट्रॉन मूव करते हैं. सो we are using the many things which are based on electricity, and that one is the electrical energy. Next one, wind energy. Energy because of wind. What is the definition of wind? Wind की definition क्या है? Moving air. Moving air, that is called wind. Okay, so energy which produce with the help of wind, that is called wind energy. An example of wind energy, that is windmill. Okay, and windmill, yes, windmill we are using from the windmill electricity is produced. That electricity is stored in generator and we are using for many purpose. और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हम हमारे होम के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं टू ड्रॉ द वाटर, देन फॉर फ्लोवर मिल. ओके, किसके लिए भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं? फर्स्टली विद द हेल्प ऑफ विंड, with the help of wind, windmills are built in. Yes, windmill generate the electricity. Yes, very good beta. Okay, and that electricity we stored and we are using it for the different purpose. Then next one, light. Light is the form of energy which we are visible to us. Okay, in the light there is a sunlight. Light energy from the sun is given by the plant. Plant make their own food. Then to these plants we all are depend. Okay, then all type of animals are depend. Then solar energy, in that sunlight is the a source of solar energy. There are different type of solar panels. आपने देखे सोलर पैनल्स? छोटे भी आते हैं टॉयज में. टॉयज के लिए, साइंस टॉयज के लिए छोटे छोटे सोलर पैनल भी आते हैं. सो सोलर पैनल कन्वर्ट सोलर एनर्जी इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. Okay, then next one, sound energy. Sound is generated when the object is vibrate. For example, when drum is hit, sound is produced. Okay, so sound energy can be transferred through the solid, liquid or gas. Okay, so when any object we are hitting, from that sound is produced, and that sound is the sound energy. Okay, so understand different type of energies. Those are the, along with this other some also type of energy like hydro energy, hydropower, energy obtained with the help of flowing water, that is called hydro energy, geothermal energy. So those are the some example of energy. Okay, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Huh? Okay, so from the chapter that is substance, object and energy, I have completed all topic, that is substance also, then next one object also, and then next one energy also. Okay, so if you have any doubt in the energy, you can ask me. बेटा साउंड से एनर्जी नहीं फॉर्म होती है, जो साउंड वाइब्रेट होता है ना उससे एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होती है, इसकी वजह से हमें साउंड सुनाई देता है. ओके, जब हम कोई ऑब्जेक्ट को वाइब्रेट करते हैं, ओके, एनी ऑब्जेक्ट व्हेन वी आर वाइब्रेट, देन बिकॉज ऑफ वाइब्रेशन उसमें एनर्जी फॉर्म होने की वजह से हमें साउंड सुनाई देता है. वेरी गुड एग्जांपल इज स्पीकर. स्पीकर में से साउंड सुनाई देता है. ओके, again anyone have any question? देवश्री राइट डाउन द कंप्लीट, नॉट यूटेंसिल. मुझे समझ में नहीं आया आप यूटेंसिल क्या बोल रहे हो. साउंड प्रोड्यूस होता है ऐसे. ओके, यस. ओके, सो from the chapter number 24, substance, object and energy. So states of matter I have completed. Energy, there are the different forms of energy, fuel like LPG, biogas, kerosene, coal. From that also we obtain the energy. Many machines run, yes, CNG is also, yes, many machines can be run using the fuel, coal, diesel, CNG, LPG, petrol. All are the substance from which we obtain the energy. A moving thing have the kinetic energy, which I have already taught you. So there are the such type of source of energy, and सभी energy sources का base क्या है? That is the sunlight. Sunlight is the ultimate source of energy, and one form of energy is converted into another form of energy. Okay, so energy का एक principle है. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it is converted from one form into another form. हम एनर्जी को create can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it is converted from one form into another form. Okay, so that is called law of conservation of energy. उसको बोलते हैं law of conservation of energy. So hope so do you understand about the energy? मैं रिवाइज अगेन, डोंट वरी. सिक्स स्टेट बोर्ड में सेम चैप्टर है. ओके, जब आप 6 स्टेट बोर्ड का हम स्टार्ट करेंगे, देन एट दैट टाइम आल्सो आई एम रिवाइजिंग. टुडे ओनली आई एम सेंडिंग द रिकॉर्डिंग. पॉसिबल होगा तो मैं आज ही रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर कर देती हूँ. ओके, सोलर पैनल क्या होता है बेटा? जब उसमें सनलाइट आती है ना, तब उसमें सिलिकॉन होता है. सिलिकॉन के इलेक्ट्रॉन मूव होते हैं एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फॉर्म होती है. सोलर पैनल में सनलाइट उसको कैप्चर करने के बाद उसके अंदर जो सिलिकॉन होता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मूव होते हैं एंड एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होती है. ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, साउंड इज ऑल्सो फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी. साउंड को भी एनर्जी का ही फॉर्म बोलते हैं. साउंड इज ऑल्सो फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी. एनर्जी की वजह से साउंड फॉर्म होता है. सो इन शॉर्ट, मैकेनिकल एनर्जी उसके कितने टाइप है? 2 टाइप है, काइनेटिक एनर्जी एंड पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. देन इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, लाइट एनर्जी, हीट एनर्जी, साउंड एनर्जी, विंड एनर्जी. ओके ओके, बाय बाय. आपके फ्रेंड्स को इन्फॉर्म करना है डियर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, to attend the demo class. Tomorrow also there, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, there will be also demo class. Okay, you have to inform to your friends. Okay, bye.